morning children, welcome to your maths class. In today's class, you will learn how to subtract by regrouping. What does it mean? Let's see. I have written few sums that you have to write in your copy one by one, just like this. You have to arrange according to its place value, and now we will solve together. First we will subtract 9 minus 4. Suppose you have 9 ice cream and you ate 4. So remaining is 5. So you will write here 5. Now after doing subtraction in ones place, you have to go to tens place. Here 8 minus 9 is given. It is not possible to subtract 9 from 8 because 8 is smaller than 9. So you have to borrow from the next number. This number will give 1 and this number will become 18, and as it has given 1, so it will be subtracted. 5 minus 1 will be 4. Now we have to subtract here 18 minus 9. As 18 is bigger number than 9, so we can easily subtract. When you will do 18 minus 9, you will get 9. You can draw 18 lines and cut 9 lines. Then you have to count how many lines are remaining. You will get the answer 9. So I am writing it here 9. And then after solving the sum in tens place, you will move to hundreds place. Now 4 minus 2. Again you know that 4 minus 2, you will get the answer, that is 2. So in this way you can do the subtraction. To the next sum. Here 1 is written and here 3 is written. 1 is smaller than 3. We can't minus 1 from 3. So we will borrow from 9 and it will become 11, and it will become, as 9 has given 1, so it will become 8. Now 11 minus 3 is 7 lines, cut 3 lines and you will get the answer 8. So you will write here 8. Now 8 minus 6. You can open fingers also and 8 fingers, and you will close 6 fingers and you will get the answer, that is 2. Now here 8 minus 4. We can do it because it is bigger than 4. Fingers, close 4 fingers and you will get the answer 4. In this way 428 is the answer. Now come to the third question. 4 minus 4. 4 ice cream are there and you ate all the 4 ice cream, then it will be 0. Okay. Now 1 minus 2. It is not possible. 1 is smaller than 2. So it will take 1 from here and it will become 11. Now 11 minus 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. So you will write here 9. It has given 1, so we will deduct. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we will show like this. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So we will write here 1. So answer is 190. Now let me write 3 more questions. New questions. Now start solving from here. 7 minus 2. Take out 7 fingers and close 2 fingers. You will get the answer, that is 5. So you will write here 5. Here you can see again 2 minus 3. It is not possible because 2 is smaller than 3. So it will become 1. It will take 1 from here. And you have given 1 from 4, so it will become 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. You can do it and you can see 12 minus 3 is 9. How you will do it? You can do mentally also, or you can draw lines, 12 lines and cut 3 lines. Then remaining leftover lines you will write it here. Okay. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. So we will write here 0. Come to the next question. Again here you can see 2 is smaller than 9. So we have to borrow from this number as it has given. So 9 minus 1 will be 8. We will do it like this. Now come to the digit which is in ones place. 12 minus 9 is 3. So you will write 3. Now again 8 is smaller than 9. So again it will borrow from 5 and it will become 18, and as 5 has given 1, so it will become 4. Now 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 4 is 0. This you will get from practice only. So practice subtraction daily. Okay? Because you have to solve mentally also, not always using fingers or drawing lines. Now here, see here, 6 minus 7 is given. 6 is again smaller number than 7. So it will become 16 and it will become 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. And 4 minus 4 is 3. So you will write here 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. So you will write here 2. So answer is 239. In this way, these sums you have to do in your copy. Hope you understood how to do subtraction. Thank you and have a nice day.